What's going on, everyone? My name is Daniel here. This is the mic which really runs like this. I think the audio quality is going to improve from nowadays. But the thing is, this is how it works. This is the sound quality of this mic, and we've also got one more option, and that is the remix option, in which you get a ton of echo. I think it sounds really cool, but the practicality of this is not that much. So I think I'm gonna switch it back to the normal volume. So let's get on with the overall unboxing. Alright, now firstly let's take a look at the overall box of the microphone. I think the box of the microphone is pretty great and it's pretty well packaged. There are some features laid out over here to take a look. So the overall microphone's design is also mentioned on the box. Now let's quickly unbox it. We have a cardboard box just beneath the original package, and yeah, let's open it up. First up, we have the mic itself. Let's put out the mic, and right besides the mic we have a ton of paperwork, I guess, just a little bit of paperwork. So first up we have the manual. Let's see. No, we have a manual as well as a note from the seller from which I bought this microphone, so I think that's good. Let's see, take a look at this paper. I don't know, for some reason there's a blank paper over here, and there's a wire which is a USB to USB microphone. Okay, so this is a micro USB wire. So let's take a look at the mic itself. It looks of good quality. Let's do the review. Let's start the review. Alright, now first taking a look at the overall build quality of the microphone. I think the build quality of the microphone is pretty plastic. It's not a really premium feeling microphone. We have a ton of buttons over here which include volume keys, record, split, and all those other buttons. So right down here we have the USBs for recording, aux cable, charging cable, and another cable to connect it to your computer or PC. Alright, the overall package is really great, but for some reason this microphone is not connecting to my phone. Overall, this microphone is going to be used in the future videos, so hopefully be sure to like this video, like this review, and subscribe this channel for more amazing content.